Okay, are you ready? Ready for the most accurate Bitcoin prediction on YouTube for this week? Let's get started. I'm using 4 things to predict how the Bitcoin price will move this week. 1. A pattern called impulse correction impulse. It's a recurring pattern that you can find on any instrument in any time frame. It looks like this: impulse, correction, impulse. 2. Channels. Sorry about that. I have drawn these in red. These channels are the correction phase of the impulse, correction, impulse pattern. 3. ADR, average daily range. This shows me how much Bitcoin moves in a day on average. So it's easy for me to predict how far the price will move today. This is especially good if I'm an intraday trader, as I am. If we want to learn more about ADR, you can find a link to a video up here. Or average weekly range. This shows how much Bitcoin moves in a week on average. Fueled up. I will not go deep into how these patterns move, but often ascending channels, they impulse out to the downside. So if we look here at the daily chart, we see that we have just that, an impulse coming from below with an ascending channel. So we expect the price to impulse out from this channel to the downside. Inside this channel, we have another impulse and correction pattern. So I expect the price to move down from this correction as well, giving me another confluence that we might move to the downside from here. No one knows, but using these confluences and these patterns, I can predict the price like a god. So if we look here, we see that this is the AWR, average weekly range high. This is the AVR low. This is the daily range high, ADR low for this day. Now we see we have slow movements here, so we don't really know if it's gonna respect this high and low, because Bitcoin doesn't really respect the ADR high and low that much, because some days you have really slow moves and then boom, you have a really big move. So, but if we look here, we are now inside a pattern of a pattern. Here's the impulse correction, and then we will see this is an ascending channel, so we expect an impulse down. When you have an ascending channel, the impulse down moves to the start of this ascending channel, so it would be at this price level, around 29,000. This is the pattern within the pattern. Here we have the impulse, correction, ascending channel once again, move to the downside. We can expect this channel to move to this price. Now we see here we have the weekly range high, weekly range low, this blue line, these blue lines. Here's the daily high, daily low, impulse, correction, impulse. That's what I expect. But what we see now is that we are here. What I'm expecting now, I couldn't say expect because I know what price is gonna do. You know me, I know this. So we're gonna go up here, grab some stop losses. So you guys, with a stop loss here, you're screwed. Then price is gonna move down. Not in a straight line, but it's gonna start moving down. And I'm guessing we're gonna end up around this area for this week. End of Friday. So around 37,000 euros for this week. So around 37,000 euros at the end of this week. This is not me giving you financial advice. This is just me playing God. I know that the price will do this, so bet your house on it, please. No, just kidding. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm sorry about the bad humor in this video. It's I was just too serious in the beginning when I started recording this video, so I spiced things up a little bit. So yeah, sorry about that. But if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribing, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you will get notified on new videos like this. Obviously, I'm not a price action prediction god. It was just a little joke, but this is actually what I see and how I will trade Bitcoin. So I will short it from here. You do what you do. You do what you want to do, but you're trading on your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor of any kind. So yeah, peace and enjoy. Happy trading.